Puracol Plus is a pure native triple helix bovine collagen. This completely bioabsorbable dressing features a unique microscaffold structure that helps Puracol Plus maintain its structural integrity with a remarkably high wet strength. Puracol Plus helps provide an ideal healing environment for chronic or stalled wounds that haven't responded to other traditional or advanced wound care therapies. Begin by donning gloves, cleansing the wound environment, and applying a skin protectant to the skin around the wound. To apply, remove Puracol Plus from the package. If needed, the dressing can be cut to size to permit the passage of exudate. Place the dressing within the wound bed. Cover with a secondary dressing such as Optifoam Gentle, Optilock, or Stratasorb. Upon dressing changes, Puracol Plus often cannot be seen since the collagen is absorbed over time into the wound bed. Puracol Plus is recommended for use on chronic or stalled wounds. It is indicated for partial and full thickness wounds, pressure, venous, and diabetic ulcers, ulcers caused by mixed vascular etiologies, first and second degree burns, donor sites and other surface wounds, abrasions, traumatic wounds healing by secondary intention, and dehisced surgical wounds. Puracol Plus should be reapplied when the dressing no longer appears in the wound bed and the wound is still stalled or chronic. The dressing may be left in place for up to 7 days. Puracol Plus may be used under compression therapy.